So I'm gonna show you guys my everyday skincare routine and just talk about my products a little more. Start with my face wash, probably my favorite product in the line. This just makes my face feel so clean, and it also retains your natural moisture in your face. So you really only need one pump, goes a long way. So, super foamy. I went through a lot of samples to get the perfect amount of just foaminess and creaminess. The scent is amazing and so refreshing. And the thing about this face wash is it doesn't strip your face. Sometimes when I use other face washes, after my face will feel super dry and like it just took all the life out of my face. This almost brings your face back to life. It's a very unique face wash. Okay, so now I'm just gonna pat my face, not wipe, because I used to really dry my face really harsh. Now we're just gonna be gentle with our faces, ladies. Oh. Now I'm gonna go in with my walnut face scrub. I actually wrote all of these descriptions on the back, handwritten by Kylie. Our gentle yet effective walnut exfoliator is essential for achieving a fresh face. It is packed with a cocktail of anti-inflammatory ingredients and skin-smoothing fruit extracts that buff away dead skin cells to reveal a soft, radiant complexion. Scrubs can be kind of harsh on your skin when you just put it on dry. So I'm gonna wet my face a little. And then I'm just gonna use a little bit and put it on my face. I'm gonna rub mainly like around my nose. I'm gonna avoid the delicate skin around my eyes. It smells really good. We actually put no fragrance in a lot of our products, so it just smells like pure, delicious walnuts. I'm gonna wash it right off. Okay, again, we're gonna pat, ladies and gentlemen. I like to use it 2 to 3 times a week, even if you do it once a week, like after the week, to just like remove dead skin cells. It really is the secret recipe to soft, delicious skin. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my vanilla milk toner, which smells delicious. It's very fast and easy to use toner. This really helps me remove any surviving makeup after my foaming face wash. So this really helps just ensure that my face is as clean as possible before I go to sleep. So I'm just gonna do a little dot on a cotton pad. Toner really helps prepare my face for my serum and my moisturizer. So I'm just gonna wipe this all over. It smells amazing. I could take a bath in this. I don't really like toners that have alcohol in them. Again, my face feels very stripped away. So this retains your natural moisture and just feels really good and fresh. So after my toner, I'm gonna go in with my vitamin C serum. All you really need to do is apply a single pump. I'm actually gonna go crazy today and do 2. And it's for every day. Right when you put it on, it immediately like soaks into your skin. That's what I love about this one. Vitamin C is an antioxidant, so it really helps brighten your complexion. So, love this. Then after that, I will use my face moisturizer. I love my face moisturizer because it's not, I don't really like super thin moisturizers. I like to feel lathered and delicious and moisturized. Also, this moisturizer is my base for my makeup right now. This makes my makeup look flawless every single time. I'm just gonna pump. I'm gonna do like 2.5 squirts. This feels, there's no scent in this, so it just smells like all the natural ingredients in here. I learned strong fragrances can be kind of overwhelming, and also when it comes to your face, I feel like you just wanna feel clean and like you're not putting fragrance on your face, so that was kind of important to me to keep everything super light and clean. Your face just looks naturally hydrated. I love putting this on just to leave the house when I'm wearing no makeup. It is the perfect base for my makeup, you guys. This has changed my life. Okay, so now, last, definitely not least, my eye cream. It pretty much is the best recipe for your eyes. My sisters taught me at a really young age to wear eye cream. I feel like you could start as early as you want. It's just a good preventative to keep your under eyes hydrated and moisturized. I designed this with a tip so you never actually have to use your fingers. I love that about this because sometimes I don't want to put on eye cream at night. It's a lot of work. So this makes it super easy for me. So I'm just gonna squeeze it on here and then apply it right under my eyes. Could definitely cover up a late night partying, or even if you just stayed up late and haven't gotten a lot of sleep. This is a quick fix. And voila. So that is my whole routine. I have been creating this for a year. I've been using it for a little under that, maybe 10 months. It really has become an everyday thing for me. I can't live without this, and I'm so excited for you guys to have this, try this. They're amazing products, and I know you guys have also been asking for a skincare routine for a really long time, and I wish I could have shared this earlier, but I'm so happy that you guys can get your hands on this ASAP because this is my skincare routine.